Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change keyboard language in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to system. Go to system here, then go to keyboard and go to on-screen keyboard, and here select Gboard and click on languages, and here click on add keyboard and select other language. Here I select Hindi. Okay, so now Hindi has been added to the keyboard and click on done finally. And in the similar way you can add another language. Click on add language, and here I select Tamil and I click on done. Yes, Tamil has been added. Now I click on add a language and I click on Gujarati and click on done. Gujarati has been added. Now I click on another one and I click on Bangla India and click on done, and yes, it has been added. So in this way you can add many language for the keyboard. Now to activate, to shift to the particular language, go to the typing interface. I go to the typing interface and click on this global symbol. As of now it is in English. If you click on this global symbol, another language will appear. Okay, here kaise is available. Okay, see here Hindi is available. I typed in Hindi. Okay, if you again press this global symbol, the symbol English available, then again if you press, another language will appear. Here Tamil appeared. Okay, so here I just type hello. Okay, I typed in Hindi, Tamil. Okay, if you want to shift to another language, click on this global symbol and it will change to the previous language, and then if you again select, another language appear. Okay, here Gujarati. Okay, so in this way you can select the languages by pressing this global symbol. Okay, finally I keep on English. Okay, so in this way you can add a keyboard language. You can add many keyboard language and you can use those language through this keyboard. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.